Hello my dear VLSI aspirants. Welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. Let's have another design challenge. For the logic circuit shown in the figure, what is the output Y? So this is a given design and they are expecting the output Y value. What is that? Now, if you want to find out this, you need to know the outputs of these two gates. Similarly for this one. Hence, let's consider this as P, Q, R, S. Okay. Now, guys, here coming to the Y. What is Y, guys? It is R plus S whole bar. Coming to S, it is simply Q plus C bar whole bar. Again here R, it is Q into B whole bar. Similarly Q, it is P into B bar whole bar, and even you can take P, which is AB whole bar. This one, guys. Now let's simplify this P. What it is? A bar plus B bar using De Morgan's theorem. Now substitute here, it is A bar plus B bar into B bar whole bar. Now what we get, guys? You will get even, see, AB bar whole bar, if you take also, you will get it AB into B bar. It's 0 only, because B into B bar. Now, if Q is 0, then what will be R, guys? 0 into B, 0, 0 bar, 1, R as 1. Similarly, what is S? Q is 0, 0 plus C bar only, C bar whole bar, C only. Now the S is C. If you take the output expression Y, then it is R1 plus C whole bar, 1 plus anything, 1 only, 1 bar, 0. That's it, guys. So for this given design, the output expression Y is always 0 only. This way, guys, again we are telling you, if you want to excel in VLSI industry and related things, you need to know about logic optimization, because VLSI means real estate. Each and every micron is also important to us. Hence, as good as possible, we need to minimize the logic design and you need to implement the design as per the design challenges. Right? I hope you like the video, and if you are visiting first time our YouTube channel Deep Silicon VLSI, please subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. Yes, we are listening. See you in the next video. This is Shivram signing off. Jai Hind.